So you want to learn how to get the instant trade feature on Axiom? I got you with this quick tutorial. First, if you haven't signed up to Axiom, then you can use my ref code 77. There will also be a link in the description. Go to any token and just click instant trade, and you will see the instant trade pop up. Now you can just go to any token and instant trade will always be enabled. To disable it, just click on it again. And it just got updated with hotkeys, which is going to give us all a crazy advantage compared to people using other platforms. You can enable hotkeys by clicking on it. Now hover over your buys and sells to see what key to click for it to buy or sell. Hold space while clicking the key to do the trade. If you want to edit your settings, just click this button right here. And if you want more quick buy options, then just drag the box down a little. That's it. In my opinion, I think this is going to be game changing. Imagine how much faster we can trade now by just clicking a key instead of moving your mouse around and click. This will give us a small half-a-second advantage, but that does mean a lot in this current market. Again, if you haven't signed up to Axiom, then I would really appreciate if you use my code 77 or use the link in the description. It helps me out a lot, but leaving a like also helps me out a ton. Thanks for watching.